fluffy slime. What we need for this is a bowl. We need a food colouring, depending on what colour you want to use, a spoon, you need some white glue, and then you need our magical liquid, which is liquid starch, and some shaving cream, and some lotion in case it doesn't get real fluffy, we can make it fluffy. Alright, let's do it. So the first thing that we're going to do is to tip all of this glue into the bowl. So roughly you need about 8 tablespoons. Okay, and then we need about 16 tablespoons of shaving cream. So we're just going to guess roughly. Roughly about 16? Awesome. So now what we're going to do, what colour? You have to pick what colour. We might do yellow today. Okay, so we need to give it a good squeeze. Okay, then we need to mix it with the glue, and this is where you can use this. So we're just mixing it all in. So as we can see, it's started to turn yellow. Okay, so as we're doing this, we need to slowly add in our liquid starch. While we're doing it, we need to just keep stirring. And as you can see, it's starting to stick together. That's what we want. Okay, we need to put some more in. Once it starts peeling off the walls, which this is nearly doing, then we're right to play with it. Okay. But if it gets too runny, that's where our hand lotion comes in. We can just squeeze some of that in, and that will help it to become fluffy. So we finish stirring once it starts to get fluffy, and then we can start handling it. So it's going to be very gooey and sticky. Okay, so if it's too sticky, you can always put in some more lotion. Okay, just see how you go. And that is your fluffy slime.